If I don't give it to you, am I subject to
You're
arrest?
being detained right now, yeah. If
Okay.
that's the game that you want to play.
Yeah, I do want to play that game. Everything's on the ID. I gave it to you.
Your social is not on your ID. So what's the last word?
You don't need my social.
That's the only way that
What do you need my social for?
That's how I'm trying to identify.
I gave you my ID. Is that not my ID?
Christian, I asked you.
Is that not my ID? Hey, did I commit any crime besides the city ordinance? That's not a crime. Is anyone hurt?
It is.
Is anyone hurt?
That doesn't matter. We're going to identify you different ways. We'll do it through your fingerprints at the jail.
Okay.
Welcome back to the channel. Today's video captures a moment where simply walking down the street somehow turns into a police encounter. A man is stopped not because of danger, not because of a victim, and not because of any real crime, but because an officer decides that wearing a face mask in the cold is suddenly a problem. What follows is a parade of pointless questions, threats of arrest, and a confusing attempt to identify someone who already handed over valid ID from demands for personal information to talk of fingerprints and jail time over nothing more than attitude. We are going to break down how quickly exercising basic rights can escalate into a power struggle. Before we dive in, make sure to like the video and leave a comment letting us know what you think. Is this law enforcement or just ego on display?
Okay.
Anyways.
What's your name and badge number?
My name is Kevin Hamby, badge number 3.
Did I commit a crime?
Huh?
Did I commit a crime?
Actually, you did.
What crime?
Wearing the face mask. It's a city ordinance.
It's a city ordinance.
Yes, sir. Do you have your ID on you?
I do have my ID.
Okay, let me see it.
If I don't give it to you, am I subject to
You're
arrest?
being detained right now, yeah. If that's the game that you want to play.
Yeah, I do want to play that game. Okay. Here you go.
When's the last time you've been in trouble with law enforcement?
Can't remember. It's been a minute.
How long is a minute?
I don't know.
A minute in real time is literally 60 seconds. So how long is a minute to you?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions? Okay.
If you're gonna write me a ticket, write me a ticket. If not, I would like to go.
Give me this ticket.
Mm-hmm. I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions.
How am I supposed to know it's you?
My picture's right there.
Your picture's been taken a long time ago and half your picture's covered up. So I don't know why you have to be that way, but
I don't answer questions.
Your social?
I don't answer questions. Everything's on the ID. I gave it to you.
Your social is not on your ID. So what's the last word?
You don't need my social.
That's the only way that
What do you need my social for?
That's the only way that I can tell who you are.
You can ask me my birthday. You didn't get my social.
On here.
Yeah, exactly. I can.
You can lie to me about the birthday that's on here. You've seen it just like I did. So
And I can tell you what the birthday is right now on the ID.
I know you can tell me what the birthday is on the ID. What I'm saying is that how do I prove that this is you?
You don't know your laws, do you, buddy?
I do know my laws.
Do you?
This is how I'm trying to identify.
I gave you my ID. Is that not my ID?
Christian, I asked you.
Is that not my ID?
I don't know whose ID this is.
Is that not my picture on the ID?
I don't know.
It's mine.
Different, sir.
It's my ID.
Okay, listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth. Okay? Instead of just trying to argue, listen. So that
I would like to be. Did I commit any crime besides the city ordinance? That's not a crime. Is anyone hurt?
Is
anyone hurt?
That doesn't matter.
It does matter. When you commit a crime, there has to be a victim.
No, there doesn't.
Oh
When
my
somebody
God.
runs a stop sign, nobody gets hurt, but it's still a crime.
That's a victimless crime. Yeah.
So is this.
Yeah. Okay. So then just let me go. This is silly, right? It's silly, right?
No, Christian.
No, it is silly. You got me stopped for no reason.
Can you check?
It's fucking cold out here and I'm wearing a fucking mask to keep warm.
By name and date of birth. I asked you 2 different questions so that you
and I don't answer questions.
So you
I'm sorry.
Identify who you are so that I know that.
Write a ticket. There's my ID right there.
No, we're gonna identify you different ways. We'll do it through your fingerprints at the jail.
Okay.
Okay.
If that's what you're gonna do, arrest me.
Last of Hooper, spelling Henry Ocean, Paul Edward Robert, first of Christian, Charles Henry Robert, Ida Sam Tom, Ida Adam Nora, middle of Roy, 1990, 1212. It would be a native male. Okay. So, the first question I asked you to identify yourself was, when's the last time you've been in trouble? You said it's been a minute. So if you could tell me one charge that you got in trouble for in all of time, then I can say, hey, in this year, yes, I can see this. I can see through the Cherokee Nation system that you got this charge. Or I can see through the state of Oklahoma system that at one point you got this charge. Or I can say, what's your last 4?
But you have my ID right there.
Sir, your
That's
ID picture, when was the last time you took this picture? You look different.
I don't answer questions.
That's the whole point that I'm trying to prove to you, man. Is that when you took this picture, your face was skinnier than it is now.
So what you trying to do? So what you trying to do? Arrest me?
No, what I'm trying to do is figure out who you are.
Why?
I have already explained it to you. You're walking
For what? And then what are you going to do? Write a ticket?
With your face.
Are you going to write a ticket for that?
My job is to make sure that
are you going to write a ticket for that?
Is safe.
It is safe.
Okay.
I ain't got no nefarious.
I don't know that unless
I got no nefarious intent.
How do I know that? I know that those people driving down the road have no nefarious.
Are you going to stop them for no reason?
I didn't stop you for no reason.
You did stop me for a reason. No reason.
I explained it to you. I've explained it to you several times. Okay.
That's me, dude. 8012.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Name and badge number, though?
I've already told you.
Name and badge number again for my records? Because I didn't have my phone out.
Have a good day.
Oh, yeah, what a tyrant. Let me get your tag number, too, then. I'll just go write a complaint on you real quick with this number. Yeah. All right, got it. Have a good day, sir. Yeah, tyrant. Look at that motherfucker right there. Dumbass. Have a good day, sir. Don't be stopping no one for no reason no more. Know your laws.
And that brings us to the end of this encounter. A simple walk turned into an unnecessary confrontation filled with threats, confusion, and a complete disregard for basic rights. This video is not about hating police. It is about accountability, transparency, and knowing where authority ends and freedom begins. Situations like this only continue when they go unquestioned. So if this video made you angry, confused, or even motivated, make sure you let your voice be heard. Hit the like button, share this video with others who need to see it, and leave a comment below telling us whether you believe this stop was justified